Grayson? What are you doing, brother? Wow, what have you made? Look at what you've been doing. Tell me about what you've done. Oh, the slide. Oh, that's pretty cool. Wow.
You just climb up and you just glide down.
Oh, let me see you do it with your toys.
Okay. This one is going stay up.
He's got on his swim trunks.
Yeah.
He's gonna climb up. Wow.
And it's cold.
It's cold water.
Yeah, and he's dirty.
He's dirty. He needs to take a bath. I know someone else is dirty that needs to take a bath. Oh.
It's all clean.
Good job. Boy, you've been having fun over here at Nana's house.
Yeah. Is it time to go?
Are you ready to go?
No.
You want to stay here forever?
Yeah.
Don't say that.
Yeah.
No, silly boy.
Yeah.
I have a surprise for you at your house.
Let's go there, then come back.
I missed you, buddy. I like seeing you play so well on your own. Now where you going?
It's been feeding the dogs, so when he comes out, they get really excited.
Can't quite focus in on him over there.
I think it's a boy.